responding to strong environmental influences. In the context of medicine generally, this is Rudolf Virchow, who developed the organ theory of disease, in which he was wanting to get away from the idea that causes were what you should think of predominantly. In his day, causes meant germs. In our day, causes sometimes mean genes. But he was wanting to get away from the idea because the key thing to understand being what's actually the process that's going on. What's the psychology, what's the physiology of it. And often mocked, this is Lewis Carroll mocking brain science, because in Sylvian Bruno, the professor is essentially trying to understand the brain. He's also trying to make a map of the world on the scale of 1 inch to the inch, which is an over-detailed approach to science. So the development of brain science being both very strong, but also very much mocked. And most histories of ADHD, which I'm talking about, begin by saying that the German physician Heinrich Hoffmann described the hyperkinetic syndrome in a case report of a young boy. Now, actually, this is quite untrue, and people have obviously just not seen it. And when I show you the pictures, then it will be very familiar to you about what the physician Heinrich Hoffmann was doing, because he was writing Struwwelpeter, Peter the Slob, which is and he is a physician, and there's a whole industry writing about Hoffmann and suggesting that that what he's doing is abusive, because he's describing things like the boy who sucked his thumb, and the monster comes in and cuts off his thumb as a result. So it's presented as a kind of sadistic cruelty to children. But I think, again, that misses the point, because he is a gregarious, liberal and popular man. His pseudonym is Heinrich Kinderlieb, lover of children. And I think what he's doing, in